Welcome back to Spine and Sports Therapy. This is, of course, your resource for all things sports therapy, muscle therapy, biomechanics, injury prevention, and the like. My name is Dr. Matthew Brackney, and we're continuing this series that I call Stretch Club. Each one of these videos is one small segment of the Stretch Club course. We use a global perspective when we do mobility work, stretching, foam rolling, muscle rolling, and the like. We look at the entire body. Most people just focus on one aspect of their body. When they use a foam roller, for instance, they'll only work on their quads or their glutes. They don't realize that working on your entire body and all of the muscle tissue, the ligament and tendon tissue, it's very important, even if you're not specifically having pain in those other areas. So today we're going over the tricep muscle. It's right here. This is a really easy muscle rolling exercise to do right after you roll your lat muscle, which I recently posted a video on how to roll that muscle. So this is the very next step right after you roll that lat muscle. So that lat muscle you're rolling essentially here in the upper rib area down into the armpit area. Now the tricep, you're simply bringing that foam roller to your elbow and then you roll to your armpit. So very similar position, you're just moving where the foam roller is. Again, starting at that elbow, and then you roll your body forwards, and that rolls the foam roller all the way up into that tricep muscle. So again, what I promote is not only rolling upwards, downwards, but also rotating your body forwards, backwards, side to side. That moves the muscle tissue. It separates the muscle tissue in different ways. It helps separate some of the tight connective tissue called fascia that makes muscles tight. And that's a really effective technique going across. It's called cross fiber massaging or cross friction massage, the different term for that. But it's very effective for releasing that muscle tissue. The triceps muscle is really important for shoulder function and elbow function. It's also a sneaky culprit in shoulder or lat issues. So this muscle can sometimes get really tight, and that can cause the lat to not function the right way. So a really important muscle to take a hold of and get working well. So that's it for today. I wanted to show you that real quick foam rolling exercise. Again, it's a really great, easy next foam rolling exercise right after the lat muscle. You go directly from the lat muscle down into that tricep muscle. And again, I'll roll it upwards, downwards, but then I'll also rotate side to side, and that hits the muscle even more effectively and gets a more effective, deeper release. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning on. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of great videos here on our channel, and some really cool information about sports therapy and injury prevention and the like. So thanks so much for checking it out, and have a great rest of your day. Adios.